Hi dear students, in this video I am going to talk about valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. So this is from the chapter chemical bonding and molecular structure. Valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Electron pair repulsion theory. In the shortcut it is represented as VSEPR theory. VSEPR theory, which is known as Vesper theory, which is useful in predicting the shape of the molecules. Postulates of this theory is shape of a molecule depends on number of electron pairs. These electron pairs may be lone pair and bond pair, both. The shape of a particular molecule depends on number of electron pairs, that is both lone pair and bond pair present on central atom. There is a repulsion between electron pairs due to like charges. All the electron pairs as negatively charged, so that's why there is a repulsion between the electron pairs. To minimize repulsions, these electron pairs oriented in space such that there is a maximum distance between them. Maximum distance between them. Friends, the postulates of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory: shape of molecule depends on the number of electron pairs, both lone pair as well as bond pair, present on central atom in a molecule. There is a repulsion between electron pairs due to like charges. To minimize repulsions, these electron pairs oriented in space such that there is a maximum distance between them, right? So let us continue this discussion of postulates. Fourth postulate is multiple bonds are considered as single super electronic pair. If a molecule is represented If a molecule is represented by using more than one structure, VSEPR theory can be applicable to all those structures. Order of repulsions, this is very important point, students. Order of repulsions between electron pairs. Order of repulsions between electron pairs is lone pair repulsion is greater than lone pair bond pair repulsion is greater than bond pair repulsion. Students, these postulates are useful in predicting the shape of the molecules by using VSEPR theory. Fourth postulate is multiple bonds are considered as a single super electronic pair. For example, carbon dioxide molecule will take, okay, C double bond O. In predicting the shape of the carbon dioxide which has a two double bonds, this double bond we should consider it as a single super electronic pair, right? Two electronic pairs are there. Then how they are oriented in the space is there should be a maximum distance, that is in the linear shape they are arranged. Molecule will be linear. If a molecule is represented by using more than one structure, sometimes for a given molecule resonating structures may be possible. For all those structures VSEPR theory can be applicable. And order of repulsions between electron pairs is lone pair is greater than lone pair bond is greater than bond pair. Right? Out of the all postulates, this is considered as most important postulates. Right? Students, let us take some examples of the molecules and their shapes now. Students, let us take some example of molecules and their shapes. VSEPR theory. Type of molecule. First one is type of molecule. Number of bond pairs. Number of bond pairs. Number of lone pairs. Arrangement of electron pairs. Examples. First, let us take the molecule type is AB2 type molecule, right? AB2 type molecules which has two bond pairs, zero lone pairs. There is no lone pairs is present. Arrangement of electron pairs is A, and it is attached with the two other atoms, BB atoms. It is attached with the two other atoms, BB. So in the space they are oriented such that there is a maximum distance. When there is a two bond pair of electrons are present, like this molecule, you can observe, students, when there is any other possibility, if you try to arrange these molecules, then the distance will be minimum. Any other type arrangement, if you try to do, always that there is a minimum distance, less distance will get, repulsions will be more, right? So only one possibility, the maximum distance between the electron pairs is, we can arrange these in the linear shape, right? then the shape of the molecule will get it as a linear. Any other possibility if you try, then the distance will be less than this linear shape, then repulsions will be there, right? So then which will lead to the instability of the molecule. So linear shape is a correct for that, right? Example for this type is BeCl2, beryllium chloride, carbon dioxide, CO2 gas, right? These are the examples for this type of molecules. Next type is AB3 type, which has number of bond pairs is 3, lone pairs is, there is no lone pairs, 0, right? Arrangement of atoms we can put like this, A, and it has 3 B atoms are there, central atom is A. So they are oriented in the space such that this geometry, the shape of the molecule is trigonal planar. If we join this, you will get equilateral triangle. The angle between these is, all the angles are equal, which is equal to 120 degrees. Example for this type of molecule is BeCl3, boron trichloride. Students, this is a molecule which is of AB3 type. Any other arrangement you try, any other than this trigonal planar geometry, all the molecules, this terminal atoms, right? These are the terminal atoms. 1, 2, 3 terminal atoms along with the central atom, they should present on the same plane. Any other possibility if you try, then there is a distance will be less, repulsions will be maximum. So we will get the shape of the molecule is trigonal planar, and angle, this is 120, 120, 120 we will get, right? Next type of molecule is AB4 type molecule, AB4 type molecule, which has 4 bond pairs, 0 lone pairs, and A is the central atom, and which is connected with the 4 B atoms. Arrangement of electronic pair will be like this, B, here one more B, it is away from the observer like this. This is a tetrahedral shape. The angle between all these is 109 degrees 28 minutes. Example for this is CH4, methane, tetrahedral shape we will get. Students, this can be explained by using this model. You can observe this, right? So any other than this arrangement which will leads to the repulsions between the electronic cloud, then that will causes instability of molecule. So here central atom is a pink color, and these are the terminal atoms which are represented with the different colors, right? So this is called as a tetrahedral. Tetrahedral means 4 faces. This side, if you join this one, 3, 1 phase, 2 phase, 3 phase, 4 phases it has. If we join this center, 1 phase, this side 1 phase, this side 1 phase, bottom 1 phase, you will get a tetra means 4, hedral means phases. Tetrahedral geometry. Example is CH4, and all the angles are equal. If it is a CH4, HCH, HCH, all the HCH angles are equal, which is equal to 109 degrees 28 minutes. Students, let us take next type of molecule, AB5 now. Next type of molecule is AB5 type molecule. Number of bond pairs is 5, number of lone pairs is 0. Arrangement of electron pair will be like this. A is a central atom, and which is connected with the 3 atoms of B. All these will lie in a plane of the board 4 atoms, 3 B atoms, 1 central A atom will lie in the plane of the board, and 1B is towards observer, 1B is towards observer, 1B is into the board like that. It is opposite, perpendicular to the plane of the board like this. It is arranged. Example for this is PCl5. PCl5, right? Students, this can be indicated by using this model, right? So these 1, 2, 3, and along with this 3 pink color balls, 1, 2, 3 pink color balls and 1 green ball, which is indicating the central atom, will lie in the same plane. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here this angle between this, here it is the angle, whatever the angle, it is equal. This is called as equatorial position. This is 120, 120, 120 will get. And here this position of these 2 pink color balls, which is perpendicular to the plane of the board like that, it is arranged like this. This is called as axial positions. And the angle between this pink color, pink to, for example, if it is a PCl5, Cl PCl bond, this bond is this length, this angle is 90 degrees. This angle is 90. Cl PCl, this angle is 120. This angle is 120. This angle Cl PCl, this angle is 90. 2 different angles are possible. This angle is 120. How many 120 angles are there? 1, 2, 3 angles are there. And the angle between this axial B and this equatorial B, that is 90 degrees. 2 different angles are possible. Example for this is PCl5. Next type of molecule is AB6 type molecule. AB6 type of molecule, right? 6 bond pairs, 0 lone pairs, A, B, 4 B's are arranged like this. And 1B is towards observer, towards you, 1 is into the board like that, arranged, right? Example for this type of molecule is SF6, sulfur hexafluoride. That is indicated by using this, right? Here you can observe this orange color balls indicates fluorine atoms here. Green color, assume it as a sulfur, right? So this is called as octahedral geometry. Octahedral geometry, right? So all these angles, F, S, F, angle is 90 degrees. All the angles are 90 degrees. Sometimes they will ask how many 180 degree angles are possible, means here you can take this one, this F, S, F, this angle is 180, this angle is 180, and this angle is 180. 3 straight lines are observed. You can observe 3 straight lines are present in this molecule, right? So 180 degree angles are 3, it is possible. But F, S, F angle is 90 degrees, right? The shape of the molecule is called as octahedral geometry. Octa means 8, hedral means faces. Example for this type of molecule is SF6, sulfur hexafluoride, right? Students, next shape we will take. Students, next type of molecule is AB2E type. E indicates lone pair. Lone pair is present. Number of bond pairs is 2. Number of lone pairs is 1. Arrangement is like this. A is a central atom. A is a central atom. And 2 B atoms are arranged like this. and it is containing one lone pair of electrons. One lone pair is present, right? So shape of the molecule is bent shape. Bent shape. Example, SO2O3. SO2O3. Next type of molecule is AB3E type. AB3E type. 3 bond pairs, 1 lone pair is present. 3 bond pairs, 1 lone pair is present. Then A will be the central atom. A is central atom. It is attached with the 3 B atoms. 3 B atoms, and it has 1 lone pair. 1 lone pair is present like this, and shape of the molecule is pyramidal. Shape of the molecule is pyramidal. Example, ammonia. Example is ammonia. Next type of molecule is AB2E2 type. 2 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs are present. A is the central atom. It is attached with the 2 B atoms, and central atom A is having 2 lone pairs of electrons. Again, this shape is bent shape. Example is H2O, water molecule, right? Students, let us observe by using the models now. Dear students, for this shape, that is AB2E type, which has 2 bond pairs, 1 lone pair, like this we can take, right? So which has 2 bond pairs, this I am removing, which is a lone pair. Then you can observe this shape, it is like a bent shape we are getting, like SO2O3, which has a bent shape. Earlier, when there is a 3 bond pairs, we are getting the geometry is trigonal planar geometry like this. When this is not present, this is a lone pair, it is present. I am representing it with the empty stick now, right? So 2 bond pairs, 1 lone pair is present, bent shape we are getting, right? SO2 and O3 are the examples. Pyramidal shape now we will take. In the tetrahedral geometry, like this it is present. Then if you remove this one, there is 1 lone pair is present. Then because of repulsions between lone pair bond pairs, slightly these will bend downwards. Then we will get a shape which is called as a pyramid like shape we will get. Shape of the molecule is called as a pyramidal. Example is ammonia, right? So 1 more lone pair it is present. This is also removed. Then water molecule like we will get a bent shape. 2 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs are present. So which is a bent shape we are getting, right? So all the bond pairs are present. Here 1 atom is attached. Here also 1 atom is present. 4 atoms are there like CH4. Tetrahedral geometry we will get. Tetrahedral geometry, right? When we remove this 1 bond pair, here 1 lone pair is present. Then pyramidal shape we are getting. Pyramidal. These will bend slightly downwards. Then here lone pair is present. Pyramidal. If 2 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs are present, then again we will get a water molecule like that. Bent shape we will get. Because of repulsions between lone pair, lone pair, lone pair, bond pair, lone pair, bond pair. So it will becomes bent in shape. Example for this is H2O. Let us continue our discussion with the next type, that is AB4E type molecule. Dear students, next type of molecule is AB4E type molecule, which has 4 bond pairs, 1 lone pair. Arrangement of electron pairs is A is a central atom and it has 1 lone pair. 1 lone pair is present, and B atom, 1 more B atom. These will lie in the same plane, that is plane of the board, equatorial position, and 1B is towards you, 1B is into the board. This shape of the molecule is known as seesaw. Shape of the molecule is seesaw. SF4 is the example for this. SF4 is the example, right? Next type of molecule is AB3E2 type molecule, which has a 3 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs. A is a central atom and 2 lone pairs are present. 2 lone pairs I am representing on the equatorial position. 2 lone pairs are present, and this side it has B. This will lie in the equatorial position, plane of the board, and one B is towards you, other B is into the board, right? This shape of the molecule is called as distorted T shape. Distorted T shape. Distorted T shape. Example, ClF3. ClF3 is an example for AB3E2 type molecule. Shape is distorted T shape. Next type of molecule is AB2E3 type. AB2E3 type. Now it has 2 bond pairs, 3 lone pairs. Molecule can be represented like this. A, it has 3 lone pairs. 3 lone pairs are present, and which are present in the plane of the board, equatorial position, and one B is towards you, one B is into the board. Then the molecule will becomes as linear shape. Linear shape. And example for this is XeF2. Xenon difluoride. XeF2 is an example for this. Now I will explain this shape of the molecules by using the models. Dear students, earlier we have discussed about this shape, right? In the case of PCl5, PCl5 case, I have explained this shape, right? Like this you can observe. So this 1, 2, 3 pink color balls, 1 green color ball is present in the plane of the board, like that you assume. 1, 2, 3. And this 1 pink color ball is towards you, 1 is into the board, like that you assume, right? Now in this case, AB4E type molecule, then one of this bond pair we have to remove. This is lone pair, it is present. Lone pair, it is present. This is shape is called as a seesaw shape. SF4 is example, right? So again, for this AB3E2 type, you remove one more bond pair you remove. Then now it is slightly, it will be distorted, like a T shape you will get. Because of lone pair repulsions, slightly it will bend like this, not exactly T. Distorted T shape you will get, right? So one more pair also removed. This is lone pair, 3 lone pairs are there, like this they are arranged. Then the molecule will be linear, right? So students, this is all about the valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, which is used for predicting the shape of molecules. Thanks for watching.